Hi, I'm Tom Sparke. Welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we've got more fun, a bit like the last one, but you're going to have to print off the PDF to find out. So here we go, here's what we've got. If you printed off the PDF, this is what you'll have in front of you. I've again cut mine up into 4. If you watched the last video, then you'll know the concept for this, and you'll be relatively familiar with what you have to do here. It's a mutant goalkeeper that you've got to draw his amazing arms in to help him save all the goals. Draw the hair and beards on these hairless pair here. This is Barry Topler. Congratulations, Barry, he's getting married. You've got to draw his beautiful beastly bride in. The one I'm going to show you is probably the more complex one on this, which is you've got to solve this issue. This is a guy called Tudor Brick, and you can see by his teeth that's what he's done. He's heading off a cliff. He's chasing a butterfly. He's not too bright. What we've got to do is try and save him. So there's numerous ways you could think to save Tudor Brick as he jumps off the cliff, as he's going to do there, or maybe you could stop him altogether. You could put a little wall in there to make him run into, and then he wouldn't come up. You could put a little trampoline or a cushion down here, or you could put a big bird in there to catch him as he comes off. What am I going to do? I think I'm going to put an enormous... Okay, let's try this guy over here. Let's see. This guy's been watching the situation unfold. He's an older fella. And what's he doing over here? So he's got... he's holding something. I wonder if you figured out what I'm drawing yet. You might have had the same idea. Maybe this guy was a butterfly catcher. He was going to catch the butterfly. But he's not going to catch a butterfly now, is he? What's he going to catch? Yeah, a fool. That's it. He's sitting in midair at the moment. We're going to have to give him... Oh, I know what we'll give him. A jetpack. There we go. Maybe for his troubles we can help him catch the butterfly as well. Let's give him another net. Good stuff. See how much fun you can have with those. Write in the comments what you came up with, and maybe show me the pictures too. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the videos. Cheers.